What's up, guys? Welcome back. Today, we're going shopping for our Walt Disney World road trip, which we're leaving on tomorrow. And it's just in time, too, because check it out. It snowed last night, and it's a total winter nightmare. So I'm going to spend a few minutes and go get some wintry B-roll, and then I'm going to snow blow the driveway. And then tonight, we're going shopping, and we'll take you with us. All right, let's go. It's later that day. So Michelle's just finishing up her dance class and I'm going to meet everybody over at BJ's so that we can get some stuff for our road trip to Florida. Pretty excited. And I just wanted to show you guys before I go real quick. These are the flowers that I bought Amanda before I went to Dallas last week. They're still alive. I can't believe it. And the other thing is the kids have been keeping a Disney countdown. And we're at one day. Oh boy, it's happening tomorrow. Let's go. Here they come. I see you. What's up? Are you coming out? Girl. How was dance class?
Good.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Boy, how was dance class?
I don't do dance class.
You guys ready for some road trip Disney shopping?
Yeah!
You gotta walk inside and then back outside to get the carriage. It's on the other side of the building. Let's see you get in it.
Well, I can grab the other one and we can each push one.
All right. Ah, nothing like buying TVs in bulk, right? Mom, can we get a new TV?
We're not taking that on the road trip with us, so no.
Boo. Is this like... Where's the touch screen?
Something wrong with that cell phone.
Yeah, really.
But it's not a cell phone.
Oh, it looks like a remote.
What is it?
It's a telephone.
It's a call phone?
Yeah.
It's called a landline. Fine.
That's crazy.
Wacky pictures on the iPads. All right, Mom, what do we need?
We need snacks. We need
Snacks in bulk.
We need turkey.
For our 2-day road trip.
We need
Crackers.
Crackers, yeah.
And beef jerky? Did you say beef jerky?
I did.
Mom,
Yeah?
can I buy 48 batteries?
What do you need it for?
Powering things?
Like what?
How many M&Ms do you need, Michelle?
A lot.
Oh, whoa, look at these cauliflower crackers. Triscuits. And most of these snacks are going to be for the park when we go too.
Yes, we put them in baggies and then we have the trip and the parks.
Love
Works
it.
out great.
Great idea.
And they can take someone 800.
All right, Moms, grab one of the goldfish. Take your time. We're not in a rush.
Oh.
And you just smashed all the goldfish.
We used to put this in our freezer and we used to sometimes eat them.
I feel like we need to get a bag of Hershey's candies.
I agree.
Mom, turn around and look the other way. Quick, go put them in the buggy. Quick, run.
Should I actually buy them?
Yep. Oh, my favorite thing, Ferrero Rochers.
Roches.
I
Can we
know.
buy them?
No, we don't need those. Candy, the candy aisle.
Oh. Daddy.
That is not something we need.
They don't sell gum at Disney.
Double Bubble is the last thing I would buy. Dried plums, also known as prunes. This is what I'm talking about. We need some beef jerky.
Okay, let's not look at this. No.
Wait,
No.
but I want some.
No. 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 The beef jerky.
Beef jerky.
Yeah. No. Yeah.
Jerky for ants?
That doesn't make sense. Jerky for giants?
It's huge.
These two. Yeah.
Okay, let's get them.
Yay. How many of these are we getting?
Let's see if I can film and grab 40 waters at the same time. Nope. Nope. Miles, I think I peed.
We don't.
Unicorn. Oh, the Polar Seltzer Junior packs?
No, we don't. There's that.
$9. Rip off.
Yep.
Oh, my favorite kombucha.
What the heck?
Miles,
What?
do you think you can eat all of these Franks in one sitting? 24 Nathan's Famous?
Yes.
How we coming, Ma?
Baby bells.
Ooh, Baby Bell cheese?
$12 for 28 of them.
Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Creamy Swiss or the cheese dippers. What is that? Oh,
Oh, original or like
I see.
original?
28. Yeah, let's get the originals.
Oh, those are so good. Will those last okay?
Yeah. No storage or walking on the roof.
How would you walk on that?
Not sure how you'd get all the way up there to walk on it, but I would if I could.
No.
I need some of this. Apple cider vinegar. In the raw.
You got a junk at the bottom.
Love that junk at the bottom. So many cup of noodles. Yuck. Whee!
Whee!
Wahoo!
Whee!
Amanda, how long are you going to contemplate which applesauce to get?
This is a big deal. There's like so many different like flavors and variety of flavors, and the kids are all picky. And I don't know. I think I'm gonna get multi-fruit and apple. Does that sound good, guys?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I don't care.
It has strawberries, bananas, apples. It's all the fruits in one, so no one can complain because they're all
Perfect.
there.
Put it in.
Daddy!
What'd you find, Amanda?
Look at this cereal. It's Cinnamon Toast Crunch churros. We've never had a Disney churro, but we can get some cereal. It's churros, right in our
Yuck.
local BJ's.
No thanks. Gotta scan the old app.
Please begin scanning.
Bye-bye. See you later.
$6.99. $12.99. $9.99.
$80.
$11.99. Please remember to take your receipt. Thank you for shopping with us.
Yes. For $90, we got 2 lollipops. Yeah. We did it. That's it. We're done.
Not bad.
$90, and we got snacks for the whole entire week and our drive down. I gotta go spend about another $10 on some turkey roll-ups. We did it! We made it! We're done shopping, and we're leaving tomorrow. So I guess the next time we see you guys, we'll be on the road. See you next time. Don't forget to bring home the milk.